ये डिज़ाइंस बोलिए, ये मॉडल्स बोलिए, दिस इज़ मेड इन सूरत. आप देख सकते हैं कितना टैलेंट है, कितनी क्रिएटिविटी है और कितना पैशन है to go ahead and make a mark. I think this entire show, today's event, I'm once again reiterating, ये कोई entertainment के लिए नहीं है. We want to create more business और सूरत का जो पूरा commerce business जो market है, we want to take it to the next level. और ये हम अकेले नहीं कर सकते हैं. And that's why this entire show to say, हमारे पास Pinto Piano है, you know, we have everything that the fashion industry needs. It's just one big push from all of you. So we have gone ahead and seen this glamorous, showcase of extravaganza. The next one, I want to go ahead and talk about something which is very fun, frolic, light. हम जब भी बात करते हैं सूरत के फैब्रिक की तो हम बात करते हैं प्रिंट्स की, whether it's digital, whether it's block prints, whether it's all the possible types of designs, abstract. And जो next sequence है, that is all about masti, बहुत fun, मज़ा, very illuminating kind of design. This one is Western Casuals, or the prints in Western Casuals, and it is by Neerav Kalvadia from the DNG Design Studio. So before I go ahead and talk about Neerav and his design, can I have the I apologize, JND Art Studio. The CV, please.
GND Art Studio. GND Art Studio is known for all types of creative pins and patterns. Growing up in the hustle and bustle of the city life, in the midst of all the symbols, vibrancy, heritage, and pride in India, we create our prints through all the hand-painted motifs. Mainly our artwork is inspired by the Indian cultural art, historical places, and nature. We add some modern touch to our prints and patterns to create a design. We are here to make things around us a little more colorful, trendy, and loving. We are working and serving our prints and patterns with the prominent designers and brands of India and worldwide, such as Mahima Mahajan, Suruchi Parak, Kartike India, Shloka Sudhakar, Aarti Mehtani, Payal and Zenil, Itar Textiles, Sourced Right, Arup Clothing, and many more. GND Art Studios started in 2017 with a simple idea of creating prints and patterns. It is co-founded by what the name stands for, that is, Garima, Neerav, and Darshit. Our creative head Neerav is graduated from MSU Fine Arts, Vadodara. Coming with a total experience of 6 years, Neerav has worked in New York-based design company for around 3 years. At GND Art Studio, we constantly push boundaries to bring something new, something exciting to keep the joy of creativity alive. Over the last few years, we have started making our own line of collections, and here presenting you our latest collection named Sar, Ek Chokor Gatha.
So what we're going to go ahead and see is Sar Ek Chokor Gatha. It is all about fun, frolic. It's all about prints, which is in floral, geometric, animal, block, digital. वो कहते हैं ना कि एक से भले दो, दो से भले तीन. So when the three creative minds come together, this is what happens. This is the kind of creativity that flows out. And today's entire range is all about creating that fun, that floral, that very happy-go-lucky feel. We are going to go ahead and bring these outfits, and the sequence that they are going to go ahead and walk on is Mandala by Blastoise. Can I have the music cue, please? Wow! Can we all put a huge round of applause to the three creative minds, Neerav, Garima, and Darshit? Please take this, place on your stage because, oh my God, I'm still hypnotized. Please move ahead. I think that stage is yours. Please move ahead. I would request the designers and the models to move a little ahead, please. Yes. And capture the stage, please. Please clap for them. Once again, what a beautiful collection. Wow. Can we once again give a huge round of applause to them? I am still feeling hypnotic. And I'm coming definitely to pick up one of these dresses. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful one.